Imagine a memory card that loads your games almost instantly, keeps your data safe, and fits in your pocket. What if one small upgrade could transform your gaming experience? Welcome to Buy with Confidence, the channel where we evaluate products thoroughly, thoughtfully, and without unnecessary hype, so you can make smart purchasing decisions. Today, we're reviewing the Samsung P9 Express 512GB microSDXC card, a high-performance memory card designed for serious gamers, content creators, and anyone who needs reliable, high-speed storage. The Samsung P9 Express is a microSDXC card offering up to 512 gigabytes of storage, sequential read speeds of up to 800 megabytes per second, and compatibility with Nintendo Switch 2 and UHSI devices. It also features dynamic thermal guard to prevent overheating during intensive use, 6-proof protection to safeguard your data, and optional Samsung Magician software for health monitoring and performance optimization. If you own a Nintendo Switch 2, a tablet, drone, or camera, this card is immediately relevant to your setup. The purchase link is in the description and pinned comment below. Let's explore 7 reasons why the Samsung P9 Express 512GB microSDXC card is worth your consideration. Reason number 1. Unmatched speed for fast loading. With sequential read speeds up to 800 megabytes per second, the P9 Express drastically reduces load times for games and applications. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, users consistently praise how quickly large files and games transfer. Whether you're booting your Nintendo Switch 2 or accessing high-resolution media, this card makes delays nearly non-existent, giving you more time to play, create, or work. Reason number 2. Dynamic thermal guard for stable performance. Heat can degrade memory card performance, but the P9 Express includes a dynamic thermal guard that reduces overheating during intensive use. From marathon gaming sessions to large file transfers, this feature maintains consistent speeds while protecting the card's long-term reliability, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted performance. Reason number 3. Massive 512GB storage capacity. With half a terabyte of storage, the P9 Express allows you to store all your games, downloadable content, videos, and apps on a single card. No more deleting files or juggling multiple cards. For gamers and content creators who require extensive space, this capacity ensures convenience, organization, and peace of mind. Reason number 4. 6-proof protection with warranty. Samsung designed the P9 Express for durability. It comes with 6 types of protection: water, temperature, X-ray, magnet, drop, and wearproof, plus a 3-year limited warranty. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, this card withstands real-world conditions, protecting your game progress and valuable media even under challenging environments. Reason number 5. Broad compatibility. Next generation and backward compatible. The P9 Express works with Nintendo Switch 2, microSD UHSI devices, tablets, drones, and cameras. Its versatility ensures long-term usefulness, whether you're upgrading a gaming console today or switching to another device tomorrow. This makes it a flexible solution that extends beyond a single use case. Reason number 6. Samsung Magician software integration. The optional Samsung Magician software helps maintain peak card performance, verify product authenticity, and monitor drive health. For those who value careful device management, this software provides reassurance, allowing you to track and optimize your storage efficiently over time. This level of oversight is rare in consumer-grade microSD cards. Reason number 7. Trusted brand reliability. Samsung has been the world's #1 flash memory brand since 2003, producing all firmware, DRAM, and NAND in-house. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, the P9 Express benefits from decades of experience in memory manufacturing, providing unmatched confidence in both performance and longevity. Investing in this card means investing in reliability that has been tested and proven worldwide. Final verdict. The Samsung P9 Express 512GB microSDXC card combines speed, capacity, and durability in a compact design that enhances gaming, content creation, and general storage. Its strengths: blazing fast read speeds, large storage, thermal management, and robust protection, make it an excellent choice for Nintendo Switch 2 owners, photographers, drone operators, and anyone who values reliable, high-performance storage. Limitations include the high cost compared to standard microSD cards and the necessity for compatible devices to achieve full speeds. For those who prioritize speed, capacity, and peace of mind, this card is an outstanding investment. Purchase links are in the description and pinned comment, allowing you to confidently upgrade your storage solution.